we're a lot like everybody else in that we're very early on in our usage of this. But one of the things that I noticed as I engaged with the different platforms that we were using is that they were chronically positive, and telling me that everything was a great idea. And yes, let's do that. And excellent thinking. And I really wanted to get to that other side of it to say, we have a board presentation. Here are our five members. Here's what they care most about, and here's what they get upset about. Here's my presentation. Tell me what they're going to get, what they're not going to like. Or the specific example I shared with you, where I had to go and propose something to the superintendent. And I said, here's my proposal. Here's my plan for these principles. I want you to give me some feedback as if they really didn't like it and tell me sort of the points that aren't going to work. Thinking about other ways that we've done this, we've designed professional learning that we knew was going to be for a wide range of audiences. And we asked it to find out, where is this going to hit and where is it going to miss and who's it going to miss for? And it'll say, you haven't met the needs of this person here. They may not see themselves reflected. And so almost working on the opposite end where we have those ideas, but we want to check them against something that's going to look at this from a larger scale.
That's super interesting. What has that felt like for you as the facilitator going in with the knowledge that you have now from the thought partnership you did with the AI model?
It was oddly empowering, and I'm still very much in like the playful phase of it. So for the example with when I was presenting to the superintendent, I had it give me that feedback, the negative feedback, but do it in the style of the editor from Spider-Man. So it was like banging the table and get me pictures and all that sort of stuff. So it was fun, but it also helped me confirm the things that I was not sure about, surface some things that I needed to get tighter on and be prepared to plan for. And really just made me more confident going into the room, knowing that these are the things that may come up. And I already in my head was able to respond to them. And luckily it didn't come up, but I was ready for it. I felt more prepared.